Hey guys, this is Fernando from the Site Digital Marketing Agency sending you that screencast website analysis. And what you see here is obviously your web page. And I'm going to talk about three things today. I'm going to talk about content, I'm going to talk about backlinks, and I'm going to talk about citations. Those are three top things that Google uses to rank websites on the internet. And hopefully when I'm done, you'll get a little better appreciation for it. So your website here is good, but it doesn't have a whole lot of content, which Google really likes because you can put a lot of words and keywords in it that they can search and rank you for. So they usually want around 1,500 words per page, and you probably have less than that here, maybe around 500. So one of the things you could do to improve that is to add some text and, of course, put some content in there. The other thing I was going to show you is Google's search results. So when you type a search query into Windows in the Google search engine, like let's say air conditioning Miami, for example, you'll get a list like this of search results. In the top here, you'll see some ads that people pay for, which are okay, but they're not ideal because people don't generally like to click on ads, and some web browsers nowadays will block them from appearing. But they have their place. They can just be very expensive and end up not giving you the results you want. The next thing you see on the page here is what we call the map pack, which is Google listing of local businesses in your area with a map and then a link to the website and directions. And this map pack is related to citations. And citations are basically your name, address, and phone number listed on different websites across the internet. And the way you do that is you go to a listing website like Yellow Pages or something along those lines, and you put your name, address, and phone number in there, and they will in turn give you a citation credit. And Google will see that, and the more of those you have out there on the internet, the more Google likes it because it's telling people where you are and who you are and things like that. So citations help these guys rank in the map pack, and that's something that you might want to consider because it's not too difficult to do. A little time consuming, but otherwise doable. This last section here is the organic section, and this is a section most people think about when they think of Google, and this is where different air conditioning companies in your case or other types of businesses based on the search come up based on just people's clicking on their websites and utilizing their services organically. And they are ranked 10 to a page. On the first page you see 10, on the second page you'll see the next 10, and so forth and so on. So if you're ranked 30 on Google, then you're basically on their top of their fourth page actually, or third page. So this is one of the things that gets you here by backlinks, and backlinks is a way of basically telling Google that there's another website on the internet that has a link to your website, and that tells Google that that website trusts your site enough to allow its customers and visitors back to your page. So it gives you authority and it gives you credibility, and the more of those links on other websites you have, the more highly Google ranks you. And again, those things are attainable. Sometimes you can get them organically from people that you know and do business with, and sometimes they can be purchased as well. So let me just show you a website of a competitor of yours. They're on page 1. They're not the number 1, but it really depends on the search category that you're in. This is Harper's Air, and you see their website is, it's pretty, it's got some images and stuff, but you'll see right away that their website has a lot of content on it, a lot of words that you can put key phrases into, and that helps Google rank them higher because they can also put key phrases like air conditioning, Miami air conditioning install, and a lot of words that Google uses to find them and help their customers searching for them find them as well. So let me show you a tool we use here, and this is RFs, and we pay for this monthly, but anybody can get it if you want. This is your website, and these two numbers basically tell Google, or Google gives information to this company so that they can come up with some numbers for you, and the higher the better on these. One of these numbers is telling you the power that your website has from backlinks. The other number tells you the authority or the number of backlinks you have. Right now you have 324 backlinks coming from 17 different websites. You're not really ranking for many organic terms, and you're not getting any organic traffic from Google for at least the organic term air conditioning Miami, which is a higher desirable term. And so let me show you the same listing for your competitor, Harper's there, the one I showed you a minute ago. Their numbers are a little bit higher, but you see they have 894 backlinks coming from 155 pages. Again, those things are achievable, and they end up ranking for 1,100 organic keywords, and that drives 220 clicks to their website. Of course, not all of these end up doing business with them, but you know, the higher this number, the higher the percentage that end up doing business. And you can see on their statistics how their links have gone up over time. And right around here, they probably had some company hired and start doing work for them, and that's where they went to you know, the numbers that they're at now. You can see back here, back in 17, they weren't really probably ranking very well at all, but here they started to do all the things you need to do to get ranked and end up in a good place in terms of business and customers coming to their website. So that's pretty much it. And if you know, there's a lot more to it, but I don't want to bore you with it. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. I'm hoping that some of this you can utilize on your own, or if you need help, I'm happy to help you. My name is Fernando. I'm with digital marketing company The Site, and my phone number is 561-945-6779. I'll put that on the email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.